My family can't get enough of the shrimp wonton soup. It's fast, comforting, and full of flavor. And in just 30 minutes, you can make it way better than takeout. I'll walk you through every step so you can make it perfectly every time. Place about half pound of deveined shrimp in a food processor. Salt, white pepper, and oyster sauce. Add the remaining half pound of shrimp to the food processor and roughly combine them. This will give the filling 2 different textures for a better bite. Add ginger, scallions, mix well. So do you like your wonton filling smooth or chunky? Let me know in the comment. Dip your finger in water and wet the edges of the wonton wrapper. Spoon about a teaspoon of the filling in the center. Fold into a triangle. Bring the corners together and seal into a wonton shape. For different ways to wrap wonton, check out the video right here. Repeat with the rest. In a pot over high heat, add homemade chicken stock. Season it with salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper. Give it a good mix and adjust the seasoning as needed. And bring it to a boil. In a separated pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Add Shanghai bok choy. Blanch for about 30 seconds. Remove. In the pot over medium heat, bring water back to a boil. Add the wontons. Stir gently and boil for about 2 minutes. Pour about 1 cup of room temperature water to lower the temperature slightly and prevent the wrapper from breaking. Cook the wontons for another 2 minutes until translucent and completely cooked through. And that's it! Juicy wontons, tasty soup, and crunchy bok choy. Ready in 30 minutes. If you also like to make pork wonton soup, check out the video right here. This is absolutely delicious. You only need 30 minutes and it's better than any takeout place. Comment below and share with us what is your favorite filling for wontons. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. And subscribe, follow, and like for more 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!